we study how astrocytes help the brain recover after an injury. Hi, my name is Thomas Delgado. I'm an MD-PhD student in a fourth year in the Johnson Lab here at URMC. Astrocytes are the metabolic support centers of the central nervous system, and after an injury, they can take on a range of reactive states that can either facilitate recovery or make things worse. Specifically, we study transglutaminase 2, or TG2, for its ability to regulate astrocytes' response to injury. When we deplete TG2 from astrocytes in mice, we see striking improvements in recovery after brain injury, and these changes are associated with upregulated lipid metabolism and antioxidant production. This research is important because it's uncovering fundamental mechanisms for how the brain adapts to injury, and it has the potential to lead to improvements in therapeutics for brain injury down the road.